Hey everyone, it's Tanya from Royal City Nursery, and today we are going to be talking tips and tricks for the garden. The tip today is all about companion planting. Just what the heck is companion planting? Well, it's about planting other plants in your vegetable garden that will do the work for you. One of the big issues in our veggies is that they get eaten by a whole raft of things. Insects, they've got disease issues, we've got rabbits, we've got mice, you name it, we got it. But if we choose the right plant to companion with, then we don't have so many problems. So in front of me, I've got some herbs. Herbs are amazing companion plants because they have a fragrance, so they generally tend to repel a bunch of insects. When we look specifically at a few different herbs, dill, which is this one here, smells absolutely amazing, and it also helps to repel squash bugs and aphids. Basil, this one here, has an oil inside that again repels aphids, and the other thing it does is it also attracts beneficials. So both of these, the basil and the dill and even the parsley, there we go, will attract beneficial insects. So you're looking at honeybees, hoverflies, and many other things that are really good for pollinating. The other amazing plant for companions, if you're looking for some flower, are some marigolds. So these ones do have a fragrance to them. You want to make sure you get the marigolds, the traditional ones with the big flower heads. Those are the easy ones to use, and these will help decrease aphids, beetles, and there's a natural hormone in here that also enhances the growth of the vegetable it sits beside. Your companions are going to be herbs and marigolds for your vegetable plants. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.